We are going into a car wash. Oh god, we're gonna get sprayed. Oh god, get sprayed by.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god, I can't see it.
You will. And there's this creepy man on
Here we go.
each side. Josh, you look on your side. There's a creepy man. And there's one on my side.
Look at Josh. Look at the top.
Whoa.
Here we go.
Whoa. There's a creepy man.
What do you think?
I like the sound of it for some reason. It's like, bleh. Oh, it's crazy. Oh god, here come the big brush spinners. Here come the brushes. Oh, that's loud. Oh. Here comes the rinse. Oh my god, it's not a thunderstorm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. What?
Now it's blowing it off. Look, see?
Yep, now it's blowing it. Ooh, I could like feel that power. I could like feel that power. Wow. Wow. Oh. Huh? Oh, and there's the creepy man.
That's it.
Creepy animatronic man.
I'm actually leaving.
What do you think?
Oh my god, that was fun. Oh man.